What else you got going on? What else you got coming up
Um,
besides rebuilding your house the next 2 years?
rebuilding. Got the retreat.
Retreat,
Um, man, that's it. Just being a
being a
being a
dad.
dad, trying to keep the girls motivated to keep training. Sometimes it's hard, but I gotta let them do what they
How
want
old
to
are
do.
they?
They're going on 7 and 4 now.
7 and 4.
Yeah.
What's the biggest challenge?
Um,
What are the challenges? Should say that. I shouldn't make anything big.
yeah. I mean, they're doing good. They're doing good after the just kind of what this year's been. Moving around and being at grandma and grandpa's house, and then finding our place, and um, it's we're grateful. It's been a good year, and they, um, they're kids. They're resilient. They're fine. They're still going to their schools. Just the biggest thing now is just juggling everything, and my stuff with their activities, and yeah, it's nothing. It's all good. All good
It's
stuff.
getting them to the practices
Yeah, yeah. Getting them to practices, getting them to school in the damn morning. Oh,
on time.
that's always hard.
On
Yeah,
time.
it's always hard every day. But yeah, yeah. So just trying to do a rebuild and build this in the desert at the same time. For the rebuild, we're talking to our architect and contractors. Building a house from the ground up and thinking of all the little details and the big picture, and permits so permits for both out here and in the desert.
Oh wow,
And we
it's almost a full-time job.
we built a
honestly.
well. It was crazy.
Okay.
Because before it was just like a big water tower, and it was like animals living in there. It was like an owl, and so we kept that because that was pretty cool. So the water tower is still there, but we dug a well, and so now it's like we've got access to water. You dig far enough, you're gonna hit water. So we got a well. It's like that's ready to go. Uh, the framing is done on the house. We ordered all the materials for the individual little cabins. So now it's narrowing down. All right, what's the gym gonna look like now? What kind of mats are we gonna do? Do like the sauna and all.
Cold plunge.
Got to do it right. Got to do it cold.
I think so. Contrast therapy.
It's
Even though it sucks, but
it's painful,
it's good.
but
It's good after.
yeah, right. The heat or the cold?
I mean, both.
Both?
But together, it's even it's the best.
All right, we got to do a cold plunge too. I gotta add that to the list.
Just do one.
Yeah, yeah. One sauna, cold plunge. I already got the pool. That's gonna be in there. So